Hello, we are Yes Automation. We are into rental of special equipments. We also undertake machinery repair and service. We are experts in factory automation. Your need for a machine can be short-term, or it can be limited by the budget of the product. Why to buy when you can hire it? We have a wide range of products on rental, for lifting to welding and cutting automation. From stud welding to vacuum cleaning, and the list goes on. To know more on our products, please visit our website www.yesautomation.ae. All our products are backed by a strong service team. Our services are trusted by the best names in the industry. To know more about us, call or write to us